create your tornado in a bottle, you will need some dish soap, glitter of your choice, a plastic water bottle, and food coloring if desired. You will need to fill your water bottle with water, only 3/4 of the way, so you have room for your tornado to spin. Then you will take your dish soap and add in a very small amount. Once you have done that, you can add in your glitter and a few drops of food coloring. Put the cap on your water bottle and gently shake to mix the food coloring and the glitter together. Once this is done, you need to shake your wrist in a circular motion for a few seconds to get your tornado going. Then you can watch your tornado as it circles around in the bottom of your water bottle